Hello, and thank you for using the Raltron Crystal Resonators Design Kit. Today, I'll be explaining how to navigate through it. By the end of this video, you will know what is included within the kit itself and how to access more detailed product information on the Raltron site. Let's get started. In the kit, you will find a short company presentation, a utilization manual, followed by several pages with product. The first page, you will find a general overview of Raltron and the available Raltron product selection guides, which span from crystal and oscillators, antennas to RF cable assemblies and connectors. You can scan the QR code or go to the URL here to download these short-form catalogs. The second page is the actual Crystal Kit user guide, outlining what products are included in the guide and how to access and request more in-depth specifications on the Raltron site. These are all details I will be reviewing with you now. On the third and fourth pages, you will find all 66 items, reflecting their position number in the kit, Raltron part number, and critical electrical parameters. These 66 products were selected as they cover the most popular crystal frequencies, specifications, and package sizes in the design of electronic devices. There are 10 different groups of products delineated by size and frequency. For example, the group outlined in red, numbered 8 through 10, is the family of 3.2 by 1.5 mm tuning forks. As listed back on page 2, if the crystal you are looking for is not available within this kit, please email your request to samples@raltron.com and the Raltron sales team will reach out to you as soon as possible. Now, going back to the example group family, let's go find the corresponding sample pockets and printing cards in the back of the kit where the parts are located. We are now in the group 8 through 10 family samples section, looking at the corresponding family's printing cards. If, for example, you are interested in downloading more information specifically on item number 10, you can either use the URL or scan the QR code to link you to the product page on the Raltron website. There is, however, one important step you need to take before you can access the information on the product page, which is registering on the website. The URL and QR code to log in are back at the top of page 2. Once on the browser, in the search bar, type in raltron.me/login. This takes you to the login page. As a new user, you need to fill all the required fields below here to register. When finished, click Register. Now you are able to use a product-specific URL or QR code to land on the desired product page. Let's try doing so with a URL first. Now you have access to the full product page. You can find the full specification of this part by clicking Download Specification. If you're interested in a quote, click Request a Quote. Fill in the desired quantity, your phone number, and any specific notes in the comment section. Once finished, click Request a Quote. A member of the Raltron team will contact you shortly. If you'd like to replenish your samples, type in the quantity you need, then click Request More Samples. Raltron or a distribution partner will send you replacements free of charge. If you need a customized sample spec, there is a designated custom section here. For example, if you're looking for the same part number 10, but just a different CL value, You can fill all of the product specs in this section, just updating the load capacitance to 9 instead of 12.5, for example. You can also leave a comment here with any special requests. Then click Send. We will reach out to you once we receive your request. You can also go through this very same process on your mobile device by scanning the QR code. It will link you to the same login page and product page once you're in.
We've made it to the end of the presentation. Thank you for watching, and please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions as you review the kit and start using it. The Raltron sales engineering team, our reps and distributors are always available for you. Thank you.